Hello, this is Mike from Revs West Ltd. Today we've got a Land Rover Freelander 2 in the workshop. Let's have a look inside. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX7722DABS. So that's a touchscreen, wireless, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay unit. I have my phone paired up now, so you get access to many apps. You get navigation, so Google Maps. You also get Waze. There's the music streaming apps, Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. We've got parking. There are other apps that are compatible. So as you can see, we've got Google Maps for navigation. And we've also got the Spotify there for playing music. This unit also has a DAB stereo, DAB radio. There's that one there. The usual FM. And it's also got Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming.
Gamble responsibly. Over 18.
And that's that one there.
Please see our website for more details. British Heart Foundation is